Two YouTube channels, both getting 100,000 views a month. But here's the twist. One channel makes $300 and the other makes $3,000. Why? It all comes down to niche. Your niche is the key to unlocking more than just views. It's your gateway to serious YouTube income. And today, I'm going to show you how picking the right niche can multiply your earnings by 5, 10, or even more. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose a profitable niche that matches your passion, plus get a free resource to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive in. Why choosing the right niche matters. Okay, let's break it down. Most people think YouTube success is all about getting views, right? But views alone won't make you money. What you really want is a combination of views and something called CPM, cost per thousand impressions. CPM is how much advertisers pay to run ads on your videos. And trust me, not all views are created equal. For example, one video might get 280,000 views and make $960, while another gets the same number of views but makes over $4,600. That's a huge difference, almost 5 times the money. And the reason? It all comes down to the niche and the audience advertisers are targeting. So, the niche you choose can make a massive difference in how much money you bring in. High versus low CPM niches. Let's dive a bit deeper into why this happens. It's all about the type of audience you attract. If your videos are for casual viewers just looking for entertainment, like people watching vlogs or cat videos, advertisers won't spend much. CPMs in those niches are usually around $2 to $5. But what if your content is about software, finance, or e-commerce? These audiences are different. They're looking for solutions. They want to invest in tools, learn about business, or grow their finances. Advertisers in these spaces are willing to pay much more, with CPMs reaching $50 or even $100 per 1,000 views in some cases. Imagine making the same money with 10,000 views as you would with 100,000 views in a lower-paying niche. Examples of high CPM niches. So, what are some of these high CPM niches? Let me break down a few examples for you. Software tutorials and reviews. The software niche is a gold mine. Companies love recurring revenue from subscription services, and they're willing to pay big for exposure. For example, project management software might pay $50 to $100 CPM for ads on videos reviewing their product. That's huge if you're creating tutorials or product comparisons. Finance and investing channels that talk about personal finance, investing, or even crypto tend to earn anywhere from 10 to 50 CPM. Why? Advertisers in this niche are often banks, investment apps, or insurance companies. All businesses with big budgets targeting people looking to invest or manage their money. Channels like Graham Stephan make serious bank in this space. E-commerce and dropshipping. Another lucrative area is e-commerce, especially dropshipping and Amazon FBA. The viewers are often entrepreneurs or small business owners, which means advertisers know they're ready to spend on tools or services to help them grow their business. You can easily see CPMs in the $30 to $50 range in this niche. How to research and choose your niche. Now that you know what niches pay well, how do you choose the right one for you? Here's a simple formula. Passion meets profit. Passion. Pick something you genuinely enjoy. YouTube is a long game, so you need to be excited about your content. But passion alone won't pay the bills. Profit. Make sure your passion aligns with a niche that's profitable. If you're into tech, focus on software tutorials rather than general news. That way, you're balancing something you love with something that has earning potential. Research. Go to YouTube, find creators in your niche, and watch their ads. If you see high-value products like software or finance tools being advertised, you're on the right track. Want a quick hack? Use a VPN, switch to the US, and check the ads showing up on videos in your niche. That'll give you an idea of what advertisers are spending money on. Test and adjust. Start making videos in different sub-niches and track your CPM and views. Over time, you'll see which topics are performing well and bringing in more revenue. Don't be afraid to tweak your content strategy as you go. Conclusion. So that's it. Remember, YouTube's success isn't just about racking up views. It's about choosing a niche where those views will actually make you money. Whether it's software, finance, or e-commerce, these niches can seriously boost your earnings, even with fewer views. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.